Okay, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you bearing. And under bearing, we are going to look at the definition, the types, the conversion from one type of bearing to another. Bearing of a point with respect to another point. Bearing of third point, given the bearing of 2 points. And finally, distance of 3 points, given the distance and bearing of other 2 points. So let's start. So the definition, bearing. A bearing is an angle measured clockwise from north direction. It is used to represent the direction of one point relative to another point. It is usually given as a three-digit figure bearing. For example, 20 degrees clockwise from north is usually written as 20, that's 020. From three-digit bearings always start from north. So I'm talking about types now. So types. So we have three-digit bearing. And we'll have compass bearing. Okay, the easiest way to know which one is three digits bearing and compass bearing, in 3 digits, the bearing is always represented with 3-digit number. So if you have 45 degrees, you write it as 045. So from the name, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. But compass bearing, we have only 2 digits, but we start from either north or south and move east or west. So you always see something like this, maybe north 30 degrees east, or you see north 50 degree west. Do you see the difference? So you always see a letter, the poles, either north to east or north to west, or you see maybe south 80 degrees west, or maybe south 25 degrees east. So the major difference is that the angles here, in compass bearing is always less than 90. So if you have anything of this form, you cannot see something like this in compass bearing. Maybe if you see 125, not 125 east, this is wrong in compass bearing, because the angles there must be less than 90. Compass bearing, I'm saying that if you have maybe north theta east or maybe south theta west, so that theta must be less than 90. So note this, the angle in compass bearing must be less than 90. So this is correct, maybe north 40 degrees east, very correct. But this is wrong, south maybe 100 degree west, this is wrong, because 100 is not less than 90. So that's it. Digits, 3 digits, always start from north and move clockwise. So based on the definition I gave, I will say that that one is for 3 digits. But for compass bearing, we start from north or south and move clockwise or anti-clockwise or counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. So that's it. So we're going to represent this. So look at this example. They say represent the following using a diagram. As you can see, there are all 3 digits bearing. So how do you do? We first draw our cardinal points: north, south, east, west. So we now start 30. Okay, we now start 60 degrees from north. We move. Do you see it? From north we'll move. So this is 060 degrees. So that's the first one. And you see it's very, put the direction. So starting from, always put the direction. While the second one, I have north, east, west. Sorry, north, east, and west. So we start again. This is 150. So as you can see, this is 90. We've moved. This is 90. So 150 should be 60 more plus. So you see that here. So the total is 90 plus 60. So 90 plus 60 is 150. So that's the bearing. I've represented it is 150. Why this the other one? North, south, east, west. So 210 will move. This is 90 starting from north. 90 plus 90 is 180. So remaining 30 to make it 110. So this is 30. So that's it. So that's our 150. That's our 210. So why the last one? 300. I have north, south, east, west. So I move this 90, 90, 90. So 270. Remaining 30 to make it 300. So this is. So always show the direction. So this is 30. So do you see this is now 300 degrees. So it's very simple. So coming to compass bearing, the same principle, but we need to start. The first letter is where we start. So we're starting north here, we're starting north, we're starting south, we're starting south. So the first one is easy. We'll draw our cardinal point: north, south, east, west. So this is 20 from north, so it moves. So this is that one. So that's it. That's the first one. Why the second one is also okay, not well. So but the difference now, instead of moving clockwise, this should be counterclockwise because this is west, but here this is east. So I'll move. So starting from north, I move. So this is 7th. So do you see the logic? So please don't make mistake. Maybe if you're asked to move from north to west, you now move from north to east. So you need to be very careful. So why this? The third one, southwest. So we'll draw north, south, east, west. So this is it. This is west. So 70. So that's it. So this is our 70. South 70, west. Why the last one is north, east, south, west. So south east. So we'll move. Sorry, this should be. So this is 8. So that's it. It's very simple. So the next thing now, you might be given 3 digits bearing and you're asked to convert it to compass bearing, or you are giving a compass bearing and asked you to convert it to 3 digit bearing. So to do that is very easy. Write the normal one. From there you now get the one you are asked to find. Okay, look at this example. We're asked to convert these 3 digits to compass bearing. So it's very easy. I will first of all draw the one they gave me, which is north, south, east, west. So I move, remember, compass, remember 3 digits always start from north to, so do you see it? So this is 060. So you can see in compass bearing, this is also equal to north 60 east. So that's it. So it's simple. Why the second one? I'll first draw the actual one, that's the 3 digits one they gave us. North, south, east, west. So I moved this 150. That's 90 plus this 90 plus 60. So, but remember, in compass bearing, the angle must be less than 90. So if I start from north and move this is more than 90, so it's not possible. So the best way is this, from south to east. Any other direction will be greater than 90. Try starting from north, moving here, this is greater than 90. Start from north, move west, greater than 90. So it's only this that is less than 90. So my answer, this is 60, this should be 30. Because you know each of them is 90. So the answer is south 30 degree east. So that's the conversion. Why the C part will draw north, south, west. So 210 should be here. This is 90, 90. That's 180, remaining 30. So this is 30. So again, you notice that if I start from south to west, the angle I will get will be less than 90. So the actual answer is now south 30 degree west. So I do see it's very simple. Just draw the one you are asked to, the one you're given. With that, you now get what you are asked to find. So this is 300. 300 should be 90, 90, 90 plus 30. So this is 30. So remaining 60. So what is the answer now? The answer is not. Remember, you start from the one that has angle less than 90. So not 60 degree west. So do you see it? It's very, very simple. So let's go for conversion from 3 digits. So the same way you draw the one given. So we are giving north 20 east. So this is east. This is what? West, south. So this is 20. So this also happens to be 020 degrees for, in our 3 digits. So it's very simple. Why the second one 70? That's not 70 degree west. So this north, south, east, west. So not 70. So this is 70. Why the remaining here should be 20? Because you know the total angle is 90. So to convert it to 3 digits, remember always start from north and move clockwise. So wherever it hits the bar, do you see it? Wherever it hits the bar, that's it. So our answer, as you can see, this is 270 plus 20. So the answer is 290. Do you get this? 90. This is 90. This is 90. So 270 plus 20 is 290. So our answer is 290 degrees. So very simple. 3 digits. You get, just add this 270 plus 20, which is 290. So the okay, let's change this. Okay, this is south. So okay, no problem. We draw our cardinal point, north, south, east, west. So we move south 70 west. So that's so This is 70 west. That's 70 west. So to convert to compass bearing, we always start from north and move wherever it hits the bar. So that's it. So this is 90 plus 90 plus 70. So the answer is 180 plus that. That should be 250 degrees. So the last one is south 80 east. So north, south, east, west. So south 80. So this is 80. So our 3 digit must start from north wherever it hits the bar. So this is 8, this should be 10. That, each of them is 90, each of the quadrant. So our answer is 90 plus 10, which is 100 degrees. So do you see, it is very easy. Thank you.